How to convert websites to PDF free online. In this tutorial, we will show you how to convert any websites into a PDF document for free online. Need to save a web page as a PDF? Learn how to easily convert any website into a PDF format for free right from your browser. In this video, you'll discover simple steps to convert web pages to PDF, free online tools that make the process a breeze, tips and tricks for optimal PDF conversion. Whether you want to save articles for offline reading, create printable documents, or archive important information, this video has you covered. We'll start by visiting the website https://www.web2pdfconvert.com. You can convert the following web to PDF, web to image, HTML to PDF and HTML to image. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.